Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you, my dear 4th class students. Today discuss about money from your activity book, volume 2, page number 9. So first bit. Calculate the total amount and answer the corresponding questions. See, these are the given items, quantity, cost. See here. First item, potatoes, quantity 2.5 kg. So, cost in rupees 75 rupees. The cost of 2.5 kg potatoes is equals to 75 rupees. Now, next item, tomatoes. So, quantity 3 kg. Total cost 30 rupees. The cost of 3 kg of tomatoes, that is equals to 30 rupees. Now next one, onions, quantity 1.5 kg. So cost 36 rupees. The cost of 1.5 kg onions, that is equals to 36 rupees. Now next, brinjals. See here, quantity 1 kg. Now cost 48 rupees. The cost of 1 kg brinjal. The cost of 1 kg brinjals, that is cost to 48 rupees. Now we can find out total cost or total amount. See here, add 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 9 taking, 1 carrying. Now here, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. So 189 rupees. Once again, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 9 taking, 1 carrying. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14 plus 4, 18. So total cost 118. Everybody write down in your activity book. 189. Say everybody take your CW. You can write first question. If Ajit gave 500 rupees note, how much change will he get back? So this answer you can write in your CW book. Now I am writing solution on the blackboard. Everybody write down. Everybody the solutions write in your CW or HW. So first one solution. Solution. The amount of money Ajit paid to the shopkeeper. That is equals to 500 rupees paid. Now next, the total cost of all the items, that is equals to 189 rupees. Now next, the amount of money you will get back, that is equals to 500 rupees minus 189 rupees. Here 10, 9, 4. See here, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 4 minus 1, 3. So you can get 311 rupees. What is the change? 311 rupees. Write down everybody. Now next one, see second question, write down everybody. How much does 1 kg tomatoes cost? How much does 1 kg tomatoes cost? Now write down everybody next question. How much does 1 kg tomatoes cost? Solution. The cost of 3 kg tomatoes that is equals to 30 rupees. So you can find out the cost of 1 kg of tomato. The cost of 1 kg tomatoes. What do I have to do? You can do divide. So 30 rupees is divided by 3. You can read 3 table. So 3 1 are 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, bring down 0, 3 0 is 0, 0 minus 0. So another method is done. 30 divided by 3. See here, 3 1 are 3. Numerator and denominator of a fraction is simplified by the same number. So now I am taking 3 table. See here, 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3, cut it, 3 1 are 3. Next 3 1 are 3, 3 0 is 0. So 10 by 1, 10 by 1 means 10. So the cost of 1 kg tomatoes, that is cost to 10 rupees. Write down everybody. Now next question, write down everybody. What is the cost of 1 kg potatoes? Write down. What is the cost of 1 kg potatoes? Solution. Everybody write down question. Solution. The cost of, listen carefully, this is very very important. The cost of 2.5 kg potatoes, that is equals to 75 rupees better. Listen carefully. So now you can find out the cost of 1 kg potatoes. What do I have to do? You can take a divide. Did you understand? Listen carefully. Look at the blackboard, everybody. See here. Now we can find out the cost of 1 kg potatoes. That is equals to 75 is divided by 2.5 kg. See here, look at the blackboard everybody. 75 divided by 2.5, 2 whole 1 by 2. Look at the blackboard. That is equals to 75 divided by, see here, 2 2s are 4. This is the mixed fraction, no? Convert into improper fraction. See here, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Did you understand this is? See here, 2 whole 1 by 2, that is equals to 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 2. You can get 5 by 2. See here, this is a mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. That is equals to this 2 means denominator is multiplied with whole number and 1 is added to it. See, 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 to the 4 plus 1 by 2. See here, this is the denominator. Means mixed fraction now. 2 is called as whole number. So this is proper fraction. In it, denominator is multiplied with whole number. Means 2 into 2 plus remaining. Numerator is added to this by, you can write denominator by 2. Then 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Now here write 5 by 2. See here, what do I have to do? So any problem? Given this type means divided symbol, who have to take reciprocal. See here, reciprocal. Reciprocal. So what is meant by reciprocal? Interchanging of numerator and denominator of a fraction is called reciprocal. See here. Now I am taking, see, interchanging of numerator and denominator of a fraction is called as reciprocal. So here 5 by 2. So what is the reciprocal of 5 by 2? 2 by 5. numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. 5 by 2 is goes to 2 by 5. Did you understand? So this is numerator now, this is denominator now. So interchanging of numerator and denominator of a fraction is called as reciprocal. So reciprocal is nothing but you can write interchanging of numerator and denominator, means reverse. So numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. 5 by 2 it can be written as 2 by 5. This is called as reciprocal. Where? So here the divide symbol is given. See once again, reciprocal means in a given number. So this is called as divisor. This is divisor. Interchanging of numerator and denominator of a fraction in divisor is called as reciprocal. So here, while you are 5 by 2 convert into 2 by 5, then 75 divide is goes to into. Divide is goes to into. The symbol 100% should be changed into symbol. Change to into symbol. See here, 75 into 2 by 5. So 5 by 2 goes to 2 by 5. Then here you can write this like only. So this is whole number is always multiplied with numerator by 5. So here 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So here 7 is there now. 5 ones are 5. How much left? So 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 5 25. So 5 5s are 25. So that is equals to 15 into 2. 15 to the 30. 30 by 1 you can get 30 later. So therefore the cost of 1 kg potatoes, that is equals to 30 rupees. Did you understand everybody? Now next one, complete the bill. Number 1, number 2. Now next one, everybody What I am writing on the blackboard, write down. Complete the bill first one. So I can do separately. See here, complete the bill. What I am writing on the blackboard, everybody write down in your CW. See here. Item. Next quantity. Next unit cost. Rupees. Next cost. So first one write down. Shirt. So quantity 4. So total cost given. Everybody write down this information in your CW. So just you can write this table in your CW. See here, item shirts. Quantity means number of shirts beta. Quantity means number of shirts. Unit cost means you can find out the cost of one shirt. That is called as unit cost. So for example here 4 shirts are given. You can find out unit cost means you can find out the cost of one shirt. Unit cost is nothing but one shirt here. Now cost, total cost is given 2200 rupees is given. So solution, write down everybody. Number of shirts. Number of shirts. That is equals to 4. The total cost of 4 shirts, that is equals to 2200. Now you can find out unit cost means the cost of each shirt. That is equals to 2200 divided by 4. Divided by 4 or by 4. See here. Write down everybody this information. So I have to take in the divided left side 2 digits. 4 5s are 20. 2 minus 0 2. Bring down 0 to the remainder. Again 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 0. Again bring down 0 to the remainder. 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 0. So write down everybody. Therefore the unit cost of shirt, that is equals to 550 rupees. Write down it. Did you understand? Now next one beta. See this problem. So item, pint, quantity, 2 pints. Here unit cost means the cost of each pint 1280. You can find out the total cost. Solution, number of pints. That is equals to 2. The cost of each point. Unit cost means the cost of each point. The cost of each point. That is equals to 1280. So you can find out total cost. Means the cost of 2 pints. What I have to do? The cost of 2 pints. So I have to take multiplication. That is equals to 1280 into 2. See here. 1280 into 2. Look at the blackboards. 2 zeros are 0. 2 8 are 16. In it 6 taking. Carrying 1. 2 2s are 4. 1 is added to 4. 4 plus 1 5. Now next 2 1s are 2. Write down. What we get? The cost of 2 pints. The cost of 2 pints. That is equals to 2560. Write down. $2,560. Write down total cost. తెలుసా నీకు చేసుకో డ్రైవర్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రాన్స్ అదేనా So you can find out the cost of each frag. Solution: item frag. Number of frags how many beta? 3. Number of frags that is equals to 3. The total cost of 3 frags. That is equals to 2550. Now we can find out the cost of 1 frag. Means you have to take divides. So how many digits you have to take from left to right side? 3 digits. Sorry, 2 digits. See 22. 3 7s are 21. See here 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 2 0, 5 bring down to the remainder. 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15 0. Now bring down 0 to the remainder again. So 3 zeros are 0. That's it. So you can write after this. Therefore, the cost of each frag that is equals to 750 rupees. బాక్స్లో కొట్టిన బాక్స్ వేడి కింద Okay, better. Today your class is completed. Thank you to all.